I be honest with you? I wonder how it'd feel if I just chosen something new. Sometimes I look back and laugh at all the little things we went through. But then I stop and ask, did I miss what I was meant to do? The choices that we make, they close one door but open two. And yet I still replay the ones I didn't walk into. It's strange how time just moves, like waves that pull and push us through. I wonder if we choose, or if the path just chooses you. It's not my place at all, but can I be honest with you? I wonder how it'd feel if I just chosen something new. Something new. Did I miss what I was meant to do? Something new. Did I miss what I was meant to do?